Today we've got a massive emergency video for the Internet Computer ICP price because right now ICP is crashing towards the downside along with many other altcoins, and everyone's panicking right now. Everyone's wondering what is going on. Is this something to be worried about, or is this something to not be worried about? Well, I'm here to calm your nerves down a bit in today's video because something really massive is actually going on behind the scenes for ICP, and many people are overlooking this. So yeah, we're going to be discussing the recent price action for ICP, the important levels to look out for, and much more. And you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have right now for the Internet Computer ICP price. So today we are inside the daily time frame, and as you guys can see, I understand why everyone's panicking right now. In fact, the price action for ICP and many other altcoins look nasty right now. We are bleeding hard against Bitcoin. But I have an argument that I would like to bring up to you guys right now as to why this is something to not worry about. Because take a look at this. So first off, yeah, we're in a pullback right now. As a matter of fact, it has worsened for the past couple of days. We have seen this sharp dip towards the downside recently. However, right now we have actually, as a matter of fact, retraced to a very, very important level right here, which is this blue zone. You may be wondering, what is this blue zone? Well, I would like you guys to zoom out a bit so that we could have a bit of a context as to what is going on right now for the Internet Computer ICP price. So take a look at this. So for the past couple of weeks or months, ICP has traded within this range, essentially between support and between resistance. Now, for your information, recap, we recently broke above a major resistance zone right here. We broke above this resistance zone, which is, by the way, critical resistance because the price of ICP has been rejected multiple times right here. So this is clearly a major resistance zone, and we recently broke above this, which is very bullish. We broke above it, had a consolidation, and now we are retracing or having a pullback towards the downside, back exactly to this resistance zone. But now it is flipped to support because we have broken above it. So the big news I have right now is, if you are considering on selling all of your ICP, not financial advice, but I think that would be a bad choice because first of all, you are selling at a major support zone where I believe that we could be seeing a bounce soon at any point, because again, I'm expecting a bounce from here and I'm expecting the bulls to take over at this exact level. It's a battle between the bulls and the bears, and buying pressure is high at this exact price level because again, it's previous major resistance now flipped to support. So it is also a psychological support zone, and many people are looking to enter into ICP. Many people who are looking to enter into ICP would look to enter into this support zone. So selling right here is like selling your ICP to the people who would like to buy ICP for cheap. So yeah, not financial advice, but I think this is a good level where I could see ICP have a reversal and move back towards the upside. And in my opinion, this is nothing to be worried about, especially if you're holding ICP right now and you're wondering, should I sell my ICP? At the end of the day, it's your choice, but to me, this is nothing to be worried about because we are currently trading at a very critical support zone, and I'm expecting that buyers would kick in, and I believe that this is a psychological support zone, and many people who are looking to enter into ICP would choose to enter into this price level. So to me, the chart actually looks bullish because we're now having a pullback to the downside to previous resistance now flipped to support. So the only confirmation I'm waiting for right now is I would like to see ICP successfully hold this blue zone as support, because there is a chance, I'm not ruling out the bearish scenarios, but there's a chance right now we could also see ICP move back towards the downside, break below support and have a retest and continue moving down. This is a possible scenario that I'm not ruling out, and I'm expecting buying pressure to rise soon because again, this is psychological support. Now let's move into the weekly time frame. So far in the weekly time frame, my view has not changed. If you take a look at the overall setup for ICP Internet Computer, the chart, as a matter of fact, looks completely bullish because we recently had a nice pump right here a couple of months ago. We consolidated for quite some time right here. We have formed this major resistance zone right here. We recently broke above it, and now we're having a pullback down exactly to this previous resistance zone. Now, if we do manage to hold this level as support, that would be very, very bullish for ICP, Internet Computer, because if we hold this level as support, we could be moving towards the next target, which is $23, which has been the target I have been mentioning in the channel for quite some time now. I'm saying that I'm targeting a pump to $23 for the next leg up for ICP. So right now, all I'm doing is I'm waiting for ICP to complete this pullback before reversing and moving towards our target of $23. So again, like I've said, there is absolutely no reason to be shaken out right now, not financial advice, but the reason behind that is because ICP has retraced perfectly down towards its previous major resistance, now flipped to support. And as I've said previously, I'm expecting the bulls to take over from here and have a reversal back towards the upside, because this was previous major resistance, now flipped to support, and there is strong buying pressure within this area. And also it is a psychological support zone, so there is completely no reason to feel bearish, to feel afraid. But again, if you are up massively for ICP though, it's still your choice. If you want to take profits, I have no control over that. It's your choice at the end of the day. If you have got into ICP at the exact bottom right here and you're looking to take profits right here, that's not my decision. That's not my decision to make. It's your decision, and I have no problem with you selling or buying. But what I'm trying to say right now is I want you guys to be aware of exactly what is going on for ICP right now and where we are for the ICP price action. And to me, the setup we're having right now for ICP, as a matter of fact, looks completely normal. It looks completely healthy, and it looks bullish, as a matter of fact. Just watch out for my $23 target for the next couple of weeks. I'm expecting ICP to, if we do see ICP manage to hold support, we could be seeing ICP pump and have its next leg up to $23. And also I'll be mentioning my long-term targets right now for ICP, because I know many of you are wanting to hear this. First off, we have $23 for the short-term target for the next leg up for ICP. Then after $23, we have $36. After $36, we have $54 and $81. Keep in mind that these targets we have right now aren't finalized yet, and I'll be adjusting the targets respectively as the bull run continues. So long term, everything looks completely normal, nothing to be worried about. And in the short term though, expect also some volatility from here, because we are trading at a very critical support zone. And I'm expecting the bulls to try to take over this level and have that reversal that we are expecting. So yeah, everything looks like it's going according to plan. The chart looks completely normal. Also, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You can no longer be a lone wolf. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help spot opportunities with you in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. Our members are growing steadily every single day. That's because all we do is provide value with one another. We help spot opportunities in the market. We help identify gaps in the market and position ourselves wisely for this upcoming bull run. And if you're not in this group yet right now, you're missing out on some of the most important information in the market. So be sure to join now through the link in the description, and do it fast, because this doesn't last for long. As the bull run comes, this server is going private and I will not be accepting any members anymore. So be sure to take advantage of this opportunity now while it still exists.